Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to add tags and ClickUp. Adding a tag on ClickUp helps you organize tasks on a whole new level and provide them with a renewed sense of purpose. In order to know how to use tag on ClickUp, watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Tab. Open your ClickUp application and make sure you're signed into your account. Go and select any task on which you want to add tags. And once you do that, you'll be able to see our tags option under tag. Tap on add tags and search for tags that you want to add. Once you select the tag, tap on the done button at the upper right. And that is how you can use tags on your ClickUp tab. You can use tags in order to mark the schedule of tasks in the development process. And that is how you can easily add tags on your ClickUp tab. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.